another video, guys. I'm so excited. I am live with my face. I have been MIA. Listen, this summer has not begun well for me, but I'm well and I'm alive. And today I wanted to take you guys to tour my home, my minimal home tour. I am going to decorate for the summer. Listen, I already got things planned out and I will tour it for you guys. But today I'm here to show you guys my minimal home. It's my downstairs. You guys have seen my upstairs. If you haven't seen the video, I will definitely link it in the description below. As you know, I have it's like a loft space that I decorated also for this summertime. But today I'm just going to show you guys downstairs, and this video is dedicated to one of my wonderful followers and you know, subscriber. Her name is Sabrina. This video, shout out to you. Today I'm doing a home tour, a minimal home tour for you because you requested it. I appreciate your love and support. To all my followers, I appreciate you guys. For any newcomers, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3 and I show you guys how to live clutter free. And look at all this pollen. Just, if you see me sneezing, listen, it's because of those pollen. But guys, without wasting any more time, let's get into the home tour. Let's go. Okay, welcome to my home, guys. Okay, so this is my entryway. Don't mind the floor. You see, it's this pampas grass. When the wind blows, it just goes wild. I'm gonna move it and bring it inside. But for better view and better video quality, go ahead and turn your light on your phone all the way up. After, you can reduce it. But this is my entryway. So I have this table, and on the table I just have some pampas grass and some natural green flowers. They're not real, but I really like them. And also I have this mirror that you can look at yourself. Hey guys, you can look at yourself, check yourself out before leaving the house or whatever. And I really like the fact that it has the glam, but it's not too overwhelming. And before we go further, let me show you guys what's behind here. And behind here, we just have a sitting, what you may call it, area. You just remove your shoes and things like that. Okay, then from there, we are in the coat closet. I don't keep any coat here. Obviously, it's summertime, but I have a basket there, which I do keep spare shoes for guests. If you feel like your foot is cold, your feet are cold, then I can provide some guest house shoes. You get to keep it when you go to your home, cause yeah. And just right here, just some shoes for people who live here. We just grab them and go. Okay, so when you turn around, you see those pampas grass? I have to close the door. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's another mirror here now. This is a full body length mirror because we don't have anything like that in the house except for this where we can view ourselves. So that's why this is still here. If not the case, I would have definitely removed it and put it somewhere else, or sold it and keep this wall and do like a family wall gallery right here. But I don't like things that look messy and cluttered, so that's why I only have this mirror here. At least I can handle having this mirror right here. Okay, so then when you come here, you get to see my living room and my kitchen. Everything is all adjacent. It's basically like an open space. But yeah, let's go inside of the living room. Let's go there. Alright guys, I had to go back. I forgot to show you guys the bathroom. So let me turn the light on. If the light is yellow, sorry. So in the bathroom, I'm gonna change this mirror pretty soon, but this is the guest bathroom. We have a towel just for, you know, wipe your hands, and I change this very regularly. And also I just have a soap. The soap dispenser is from the Dollar Tree, just $1, guys. And right here, I keep a rug because of my little people. Even for guests, you can stand here. If you have water drip, it can just drip right here instead of dripping on the floor. And then right here, I just keep this picture of this sink. I really like it. And it matches the color of everything here. So let me turn around. As you can see, this is where we were before. And then right here, this wall art definitely matches the one I just showed you. It came from my previous apartment. And I love this. There was 2 of them. I don't know what happened to the other one in the moved. I think the glass broke and I never know what happened to it anymore. And I just keep this greenery right here, paper towel, toilet paper. And on top right here, I have restroom spray, just spray. And this is like a candle holder, the black and gold one. And I just keep toilet paper right over here. Since I'm running out, let me put it in the middle. I like when things are symmetric. But yeah, so now we can go back over here. Okay guys, so this is my living room. If you hear that noise, my husband came home. He turned on the AC because I guess he's hot. So let's start here. There's nothing much to show. There is a fly. Do you see that fly? Oh my God, that is disgusting. But yeah, I just keep a throw blanket here. For those who know my channel, been with me for a while, you know that we love throw blankets. We use them every time, not only in the winter, but we use it all the time. So I keep one in hand, but there's also one in the closet. Kids can go and grab. My table, simple. This table, it was from Amazon. It's what is it called? I forgot the name of the company, but I can definitely what is it called, link it for you all. And I don't keep any pillows here. Right here, I just keep 2 pots with greenery in them, and I just think it looks so cute having them side by side like that. And my fireplace, as you guys see in the new video that came out, my fireplace, I did this myself, DIY the backsplash myself. I did not do the fireplace. So don't like, Gladys, can you show me how to do that? No, I don't know how to. And I just have this cute little chandelier. Last time I went to RH home, restoration home, when I went there, I saw they had a chandelier like this, but it was bigger than mine. But I just think it looks super cute. Right here, I just keep my, my drapes open like this. I don't like them closed. I feel like it's claustrophobic and cluttered, so I just keep them like that. And they're pretty long. I need to raise the curtain rod, but even if I do, it's still very long, so I just need to cut it. And right over here, which is my favorite view, really, I love this blue chair, these blue chairs. They were upstairs. As you guys know, I had my royal blue here previously for years, but I moved them upstairs, and I think they look so much better there as well. And I just, on the table, this greenery, this floor, I just think it looks super, super cute with the glass vase that you can see through. And this is my favorite piece. One of my favorite pieces in my home is this was thrifted from Goodwill, and also I spray painted it on this color so that it's not perfect. It's not like perfectly white, but you can see the black peeking through. I love that. And I keep nothing down there, really. It's not necessary. I like to keep pillows on the chairs because this doesn't have pillows. So if someone feels like their back is hurting or they need extra pillows, you can definitely grab these pillows and enjoy yourself. Now, this is my kitchen area. Let's go there. Okay guys, so here on this table, I just keep this greenery right here. As you can see, my home has a lot of mirror. So my home is not big. The square footage is pretty small. This is all that you see in my first floor. So I like keeping mirrors. Mirrors reflect light and reflect the other wall, so it makes it feel bigger. So on top here, I just have this greenery, which I love, and I think someone touched it because I would never put it like that. Hold on. That's the thing when you live with people, especially kids. They will touch stuff, so, okay. Yeah, I don't like it squarely perfect. It needs to be messed up a little bit. Okay, see the difference? That's better. Okay, I love just the fact that you can see through it. Remember when I told you guys, like, my decor is not about the aesthetic. It's not about like, hey, this vase is minimal, hey, this thing is minimal. No, my decor is minimal. I love to have decor, but I like to keep it minimal. I cannot wait for fall. I will have pumpkins and like on top of books, and I just can't wait. Listen. Okay, and then this candle, it's one of my favorite candles. It's the Tuscany candle. This is tea tree sandalwood, and I got this for Christmas time, and I still have it. Actually, I didn't get it. My mom gifted this to me for Christmas time, and I still have it, and I love it. Okay, so let's go over here. Okay, so guys, the first thing when you enter in my home, you won't say like, oh my God, this girl is very minimal. No, you'll be like, this girl is organized and clean, because you won't see clutter. And not only would you won't see clutter, but you will see things that make sense to me. I had beautiful, bar stool here with long legs and backings and stuff like that. And it wasn't practical because there were fabrics, and I don't like leather anything, so I was not going to get leather. But the fact that there were fabrics, and this is our eating area, it's our breakfast nook, dinner, everything we eat here, and I have kids. The last thing I want is them to stress out that they cannot mess up where they're eating, because when you eat, you get droplets. Even as grown-ups, we do get like small things that drop. So I don't want them to worry about that. So I switched them all. I sold them on Facebook Marketplace, and I bought these on American Furniture Warehouse. And these are just regular bar stool with wood on top and iron rod metal. And I can just clean it and dust it, and I'm good. When the kids grow up, I will get better, chairs. Let's go closer. Okay, so I just love this so much. The stool is from Ross. A lot of people ask me where the stool is from. It's from Ross, guys. I just love the rustic. As you guys can see, I love the farmhouse with modern and also glam, as you can see with the wood right here. But I also love when things are like light and airy, so I just love that. But yeah, let's go back. So yeah, here I just added this floral just for pop of color. That's the only floral color you see here, which I'm going to change for summer because I need color. I need color. I'm told that I don't have a lot of colors, and my home is not like, it just doesn't have color, and that's my style. But I need color for the summer. I just think it brings joy, and I will be decorating for the summer. So you guys definitely stay tuned, please. Okay, so, and this candle holder is from the Dollar Tree, just $1. This is from Goodwill. I love this, but this is a crate and barrel decor vase, and it's just super cute. I also switched my what is it called, pendant light for the IKEA one, and I switched it myself. I'm so proud of myself. I just think it looks so beautiful. So now let's go in my kitchen. Guys, we are missing a paper towel. I will go to the store, if not today, definitely tomorrow, because I buy them in bulk, so I have to go to Sam's. But yeah, I love this. Do you see where sorry for my fingers. Do you see where the rustic theme comes in? I just love that. It's like very farmhouse, but I like it. I really like it. And here I just keep my fruit bowl with fruits in there. I went shopping. I got some fruit yesterday, which are delicious. And I keep nothing over here. But then here I have my cutting boards. Not only they're my cutting boards, but they were beautiful to look at. I use them, very often when I cut things. So, but I just like the fact that it's not just for aesthetically pleasing, but it's also useful. So yeah, Now, this is a garage. On the garage wall, on the garage door, I have this that has color. Yay! This I bought for spring, which I kept for summer. I just love that. But again, this is not my summer home tour. I will decorate for summer. I will do a decorate with me for summer with you guys also. I will also, what you may call it, film it and also do a summer home tour. So definitely stay tuned. And on this wall, just this huge wall art from Burlington. And as you can see, I like blue. But yeah, this is my home, guys. And I just love the fact that it's not hard to keep up. It's very minimal in my opinion, very simple, but it's practical. This is our home. This is where we enjoy ourselves, my kids and I, and we come and we enjoy here. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you all. One second. This candle holder, I just love this, guys. I got it at Goodwill. I just think this will look so pretty underneath some books for Christmas and fall. Listen, as a home decor lover, we think about fall and Christmas before fall and Christmas even arrives. So, but yeah, look, my door is still open. I need to go and close it. But yeah, this is my minimal home, guys, and I just love it so very much. So yeah, this will be all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you watched all the way through the end. I appreciate you if you did. Click on that like button and that subscribe button. If you're new here, if you're oldie but a goodie, you don't have to subscribe because you've been rocking with me. Go ahead and click on that like button. Share with your friends and family. I will truly appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Help me get to 2K. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. See you guys into the next video. If you have anyone in your family or even yourself that is trying to live the minimal lifestyle, this channel is for you. Listen, I'll show you how to decorate your home for Christmas and fall without doing too much. Also show you how to declutter, how to keep your home minimal. A clean and minimal home gives you peace of mind. I used to have decor everywhere in my home. Every corner you turn had something, and I realized that wasn't for me. I can still love decor, but it can just be a wee bit less than before. God bless you guys. Take care. Bye, guys.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me.